Hi everyone! Today we are going to show you how to add an additional domain to your hosting account. This tutorial assumes you already have several domain names and hosting plan with GT Media. From your account dashboard, click on My Hosting within the hosting area of the navigation menu. Click the three dots next to your hosting plan and click View Details. In the Your Account section, click on the Add-on Domains icon and then click the blue Create Add-on Domain button. In the Domain Name field, type in your domain name. Then, if you'd like to secure your domain with an SSL certificate, click on the Secure SSL toggle. This enables additional options. If you want your website visitors to always be redirected to a secure connection, click on the Force SSL within HTTPS redirect toggle. If you want your hosting account to handle email for that domain, leave the local mail server enabled. Please be aware that if you are adding a domain name registered outside of GT Media, please make sure you have changed the DNS servers at your domain's location to ns1.gtmedia.world and ns2.gtmedia.world, or you have forwarded the appropriate DNS records for services you'd like to host in GT Media. Click Create and you're all set. If you selected to use the SSL certificate, it will be issued within 1 to 4 hours automatically. This concludes this tutorial. We hope you've enjoyed it. If you found it helpful, please click like and subscribe to our channel. We also offer many other tutorials, so check them out as well. Thank you.